Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on KULR stock about 9 days ago, on February the 10th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $2.01 at pre-market hours. And my main assumption was that this asset hit its crucial level of support, breakout below which will indicate its lower price action and longer consolidation phase. But we have to see a sustained breakout that should have a daily candle that is opened and closed below $2 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point and we still don't have any price actions, any movements of this asset below $2 mark, and we are on pre-market hours, as you can see, at $2.04. So we are still at nowhere's territory, but this movement grabs my attention, and that is why I'm making this video. And guys, you know that I make a lot of videos on different assets, and I have a lot of experience in technical analysis. That is why, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of. But the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game-changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I have to admit that this asset, as already mentioned, is still in nowhere's territory, but in just a couple of minutes I will show you what crucial levels this asset have and what is where we are from the Elliott wave perspective. And for now, guys, I have to admit that if you try to search any news related to this stock, if you type in Google search bar KULR stock and switch to new stock folder, you can see that 5 days ago they published official statement. They basically made a strategic partnership with Work Sport Forge, and here you can see that these two companies, let me quote you just some details, they have key areas of collaboration: joint battery pack development. KULR and Worksport will work together on the development of Worksport COR battery pack system, software, BMS plus AI integration. Both companies aim to incorporate AI-driven software in the BMS, enabling real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and advanced data analytics. And third bullet point, thermal runaway protection. The partnership will look to integrate KULR's patented thermal runaway protection technology into Worksport's battery system. And guys, I have to admit that on the one hand it is very good partnership and potentially it might be even promising for the company. But on the other hand, guys, you know that on my previous video I told you that they bought a lot of bitcoins just recently, and without, let me show you right here. If you click on their financials, you can see that they don't have their financials are not so good, let's put it this way. You can see that in their statement section they don't have any cash from operating activities. They have just cash from financing activities, and their income statement is negative. They don't have any net income, and their total revenue is just $3.19 million. Definitely it is some kind of startup company. It is still some kind of startup company, and the risks involved in the investing in this company might be extremely high. That is why you have to be cautious. On top of that, guys, we don't have any pretty much zero analytic firms who made some analysis on this stock for the last several months. You can see that according to market beats, they have the most recent update was made on August 13th of last year, with the price target of just $1, and KULR broke this $1 with flying colors. Here's this threshold. It broke it back in pretty much it tested it at the end of November, and it broke it right here on November 29th. Then it retested from the top and went higher. And for now, guys, unfortunately, you cannot rely on any type of analytic firms, even this one that made their analysis on December 19th, and they set the price target at $5 mark, because it already hit $5 and went lower. That is why, guys, the only driver for this stock, and by the way, it's let me show you its total market cap. For now, it has a total market cap of less than $500 million. This company might be easily affected by the retail community. And take a look right here. When I made my previous video, this company was at the top 10 list of stock to its community, and for now, as you can see, we don't have this company right here. On top of that, guys, here's the appwisdom.io website, which tracks the trending stocks on Reddit in the past 24 hours. And guess what? On the first page, we have 100 companies, and we don't have KULR here. But if you type in the search bar KULR, you can see that it has 3 mentions for the last 24 hours. And let's take a look, let's get back to the list of 100 top companies. The last company is Sphere 3D, has 9 mentions. This means, guys, the momentum from the retail community is also extremely low. That is why, guys, unfortunately, without substantial news, we might see another breakout below $2 mark, below its crucial level of support. As you can see, it went higher from the very beginning of November, as in a textbook. As you can see, it had $1 as the range of resistance, then it became range of support, but $2 became range of resistance. Then it broke $2 mark as the range of resistance, retested from the top as the range of support, and for now, guys, we are here again. And this is the crucial point. Let's continue with the technical analysis, and I will explain you what I'm talking about. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, what should we expect next from its price action? Let's zoom out a little bit, and let me show you its price action. Wait a second, let's switch to 3 hours time frame. Let me show you its first wave. You can see that according to my breakdown, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this movement to $2 mark. Then we had wave 4, and this is the 5th wave on a bigger scale, the same scale that we had right here on April 11th, because we have basically we have lack of data from this price action except this first wave. And that is why, guys, if first wave had quite a substantial retracement period, we also might have quite a similar price action at the ranges of about $2 mark. But, guys, let's zoom in to its most recent price action. Let's switch to hourly time frame, and let me explain you what type of retracement does it have. So, potentially from this top, we have 3 waves to the downside, A, B, and C, and these 3 waves is only A wave on a bigger scale. Then, guys, we have this flat correction, and potentially it is a B wave in the shape of 5-wave structure. And let's do it. Wait a second, let me show you like this. Potentially this might be an A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and we are seeking for the E wave, and then we might have an attempt to break this range of support to the downside. And let me mark these crucial levels in order to make this triangle more visible. You can see that this entire ABCDE correction is nothing else but a B wave on a slightly bigger scale, and we have to have another leg to the downside that will complete the C wave and that will complete the retracement. Unfortunately, guys, yes, without a major update from the fundamental standpoint from the company itself, potentially the momentum might be extremely low, and especially if you take a look at the volume, you can see that it doesn't have enough volume even to hold its price. That is why, guys, unfortunately, I don't see its substantial movement to the upside without major news and support from the fundamental standpoint. That is why, guys, be cautious with your position on this asset, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.